Dreamglass Flow is a next-generation AR headset that blends the digital and physical worlds seamlessly. Lightweight and ergonomically designed, it projects a massive virtual screen wherever you go, equivalent to 200 inches. It supports 4 Kelvin streaming, gaming, and productivity, making it versatile for both entertainment and work. Gesture control and compatibility with smartphones or PCs ensure maximum flexibility, while advanced optical technology delivers sharp, vivid visuals. With integrated audio for an immersive cinematic feel, Dreamglass Flow redefines how users consume content and interact with technology in daily life. The M-Cube 02 is a futuristic modular workstation tailored for creatives and remote professionals. Built as a reconfigurable cube, it merges high-performance computing with a smart ecosystem of accessories. Featuring a multifunctional touch panel, intelligent cooling system, and backup power, it adapts seamlessly to mobility and productivity demands. Its minimalist yet premium design enhances any workspace, blending aesthetics with efficiency. The M-Cube 02 represents the future of adaptive and compact technology, empowering professionals with flexibility and performance in a single powerful unit. The SwiftShape LX30 is a high-speed precision 3D printer designed for modern manufacturing needs. It produces complex components with advanced materials ranging from high-strength polymers to lightweight composites. Equipped with dual extruder technology and automatic calibration, it ensures uninterrupted, flawless results. Its smart interface and cloud connectivity simplify global collaboration, making prototyping and large-scale additive production more efficient. By combining speed, reliability, and versatility, the LX30 sets new standards in industrial 3D printing, accelerating innovation across industries. The T1M utility is a futuristic multifunctional vehicle concept that combines carrying capacity, adaptability, and eco-friendly performance. Its modular design allows it to transform from a city delivery van into a mobile workstation or compact camper. Powered by a robust electric drivetrain, the T1M delivers strong performance with outstanding energy efficiency. The cabin features digital control panels, IoT connectivity, and intelligent storage solutions to suit diverse needs. Built for urban lifestyles and modern businesses, the T1M utility stands as a versatile solution for the mobility challenges of the future. The Charge Disc Plus is a cutting-edge power bank that combines sleek design with superior performance. With a large capacity and multi-port fast-charging technology, it can power laptops, smartphones, and even drones simultaneously. Its premium aluminum body ensures durability while maintaining an elegant appearance. A built-in digital display provides real-time information on battery status, voltage, and temperature, ensuring maximum safety. Universally compatible, the Charge Disc Plus is the ultimate travel companion for content creators, professionals, and tech enthusiasts who demand reliable energy on the go. The Lean PixCut S1 is a compact photo and label printer built for precision and convenience. Designed with advanced thermal printing technology, it delivers sharp, smudge-free results without the need for ink cartridges. Its wireless connectivity allows seamless pairing with smartphones and PCs, enabling quick prints anytime, anywhere. Compact and portable, the PixCut S1 is ideal for creative projects, office tasks, or travel documentation. With eco-friendly paper options and easy app integration, it combines functionality with sustainability, making it a smart solution for modern lifestyles. The Lexus Hoverboard is a groundbreaking mobility concept that turns science fiction into reality. Utilizing magnetic levitation and superconducting technology, it glides smoothly above specially designed tracks, offering a futuristic riding experience. Built with premium materials and Lexus's signature craftsmanship, the hoverboard not only delivers advanced performance, but also a luxurious design aesthetic. While still conceptual, it demonstrates the potential of blending innovation, design, and engineering excellence to redefine the future of personal transportation. The EMO AI desktop pet is an intelligent companion powered by advanced AI algorithms. Designed with expressive animations and voice interaction, EMO responds to touch, sound, and facial recognition, creating an engaging and lifelike presence. Beyond entertainment, it serves as a personal assistant, providing reminders, weather updates, and even music playback. Constantly evolving through machine learning, EMO adapts to user habits and builds a unique personality over time. It represents the next generation of interactive AI devices that bring warmth and functionality into everyday life. Lazzarini Pearl Suites are luxury floating living spaces redefining hospitality at sea. Designed with futuristic architecture, these spherical pods combine sustainability with elegance. Each suite offers panoramic ocean views, solar-powered energy systems, and eco-friendly construction materials. Customizable interiors provide a premium experience, from smart climate control to cutting-edge entertainment systems. Built for high-end resorts or private owners, Pearl Suites merge comfort with innovation, presenting an entirely new way to experience the ocean in style. The Zoox Robotaxi is a fully autonomous electric vehicle designed to transform urban mobility. With a bidirectional design, it eliminates the need for a front or back, allowing seamless navigation in tight city environments. Spacious interiors prioritize passenger comfort with lounge-style seating, ambient lighting, and advanced infotainment systems. Powered by AI-driven navigation and 360-degree sensor coverage, it ensures safety and efficiency in traffic. As part of the push towards sustainable smart cities, Zoox Robotaxi represents the future of shared, autonomous, and eco-friendly transportation. The SKWHE-01 is an innovative electric roller system designed to enhance urban commuting. With its unique wheel-on footwear design, it provides the freedom of walking combined with the efficiency of powered mobility. Equipped with rechargeable batteries and intuitive controls, users can glide smoothly across city streets or indoor spaces. Its lightweight build and portability make it ideal for last-mile transportation. Blending futuristic design with practical performance, the SKWHE-01 sets a new benchmark in personal electric mobility. The Sunflower Home Heliostat is a smart device that captures and redirects sunlight into interior spaces, enhancing natural lighting and reducing energy consumption. Using advanced tracking technology, it follows the sun's position throughout the day, ensuring optimal light reflection. Easy to install and powered by clean energy, it improves home aesthetics while supporting sustainability. More than just a gadget, the Sunflower Heliostat transforms everyday living environments by combining eco-conscious design with cutting-edge technology. Olabot is a service-oriented robot designed to assist in hospitality and business environments. Equipped with advanced voice recognition and multi-compartment trays, it efficiently delivers food, documents, or other items in restaurants, offices, and hotels. Its autonomous navigation and obstacle avoidance systems ensure smooth operation, even in busy environments. With customizable features and a friendly interface, Holobot enhances efficiency, reduces workload, and creates a futuristic customer experience in service industries. The EasyMaker is a versatile 3D printer tailored for creators, hobbyists, and professionals seeking efficiency and precision. Featuring an intuitive touchscreen interface and high-resolution printing, it supports multiple materials for diverse applications. Its compact yet durable design allows it to fit seamlessly into workshops, offices, or educational settings. Whether for prototyping, design projects, or personal creations, EasyMaker delivers reliable performance, making advanced manufacturing accessible to a wider audience. The EasyMaker is a versatile 3D printer tailored for creators, hobbyists, and professionals seeking efficiency and precision. Featuring an intuitive touchscreen interface and high-resolution printing, it supports multiple materials for diverse applications. Its compact yet durable design allows it to fit seamlessly into workshops, offices, or educational settings. Whether for prototyping, design projects, or personal creations, EasyMaker delivers reliable performance, making advanced manufacturing accessible to a wider audience. The Dockcase Smart MagSafe is a next-generation storage solution built with intelligent data protection. Designed for professionals who rely on fast and safe transfers, it combines MagSafe magnetic attachment with a smart screen that displays real-time health monitoring of the drive. Users can instantly view storage status, transfer speed, and power levels, ensuring reliability and security. With its sleek design and robust build, the Dockcase Smart MagSafe bridges practicality and advanced digital safety, making it a must-have for modern workflows. The Unified Drive UT2 is a high-performance external SSD engineered for creators, gamers, and professionals who demand speed and durability. It offers lightning-fast data transfer rates, robust encryption, and compact portability. Designed with heat dissipation technology, the UT2 ensures consistent performance even under heavy workloads. Whether for editing 4 Kelvin's video, running simulations, or securing sensitive data, the Unified Drive UT2 provides unmatched reliability, blending powerful hardware with sleek industrial design. The Philips Smart Deadbolt is an intelligent door lock system that merges convenience with advanced security. Equipped with fingerprint recognition, smartphone control, and one-time access codes, it redefines home and office safety. Its durable build ensures protection, while the elegant design seamlessly integrates into modern interiors. With real-time notifications and remote management, the Philips Smart Deadbolt enhances peace of mind, offering secure access control in an increasingly connected world. The Bayman Robot Dilly is an autonomous delivery robot designed to revolutionize urban logistics. With advanced navigation, obstacle detection, and route optimization, it delivers food and small packages efficiently in crowded environments. Its friendly design and reliable service enhance customer experience while reducing delivery time and labor costs. As cities embrace automation, Bayman Dilly represents the future of smart logistics, combining robotics, AI, and user-focused innovation to create seamless last-mile delivery. Fluid Reality introduces a groundbreaking haptic glove that blends virtual reality with physical sensation. Using advanced microfluidic technology, it simulates textures, resistance, and movement, allowing users to feel virtual objects in immersive environments. Ideal for gaming, training, and design. This innovation enhances realism in digital experiences. Lightweight and ergonomic, Fluid Reality represents the next frontier of human-computer interaction, bridging the digital and physical worlds with unprecedented precision. The Aether Cruise is an advanced personal mobility device that blends futuristic design with eco-friendly performance. Powered by an efficient electric system, it delivers smooth and quiet rides while maintaining a compact form for urban commuting. Its aerodynamic structure, intelligent controls, and comfortable ergonomics make it ideal for daily travel or recreational use. Representing a new era of stylish and sustainable mobility, the Aether Cruise appeals to forward-thinking riders who value both innovation and environmental responsibility. The MyWave Sleep Solution is a cutting-edge wellness device designed to improve rest and recovery through advanced sound and light therapy. It creates personalized sleep environments using gentle soundscapes and circadian rhythm-friendly lighting. With app integration, users can track sleep patterns and adjust settings to suit their individual needs. Compact and elegant, it transforms bedrooms into restful sanctuaries, helping combat insomnia, jet lag, and stress. The MyWave Sleep Solution redefines restorative sleep in the digital age. The Mercedes-Benz Future Bus showcases the brand's vision of next-generation urban transportation. Equipped with autonomous driving systems, intelligent connectivity, and sustainable powertrains, it delivers efficient and eco-conscious public transit. Its spacious, lounge-inspired interior provides comfort, while advanced safety technologies ensure smooth and secure journeys. Designed to reduce congestion and emissions in modern cities, the Future Bus represents a bold step towards smart mobility blending luxury, sustainability, and innovation in a single groundbreaking vehicle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.